So we're showing you how to warm up with your massage gun. You're just gonna palpate the area. That's what she's doing right now. And she's gonna search for any specific tight spots. Once she finds her spot, she's gonna use her massage device, whether it be a gun or a vibration device, whatever. You're gonna take that device, you're gonna go over the area, slowly, gently. You're gonna wait till it feels better or releases. Now turn off your device. We're gonna stretch that area. We're working on the hamstring right now. She also dorsiflexed the foot so we get the complete line. Now we're going to activate that area. So we're doing hamstring curls, curl and extend, creating tension on the leg. So you feel it in the hamstrings to warm it up appropriately. And then we're doing straight leg activation. You're pushing the leg into the ground, driving it up. And now you're ready to go. Just as simple as that. Warm up should be quick and simple.